Question number 2. A 90-gram beam on a 60 centimeter long string is swinging in a vertical circle about a point 200 centimeters above the floor. The tension in the string when the band is at the very bottom of the circle is 2.2 newtons. A very sharp knife is suddenly inserted and shows in the figure to cut the string directly below the point of support. How far to the right of the center of the circle does the ball hit the floor? So we have, which we know this is 2, so we have the ball. Let's start over. So we have the ground, centimeter 2. We have the ball. It is 0.6 meters. The knife. Then the ball. So we know the equation we will use is sum of F equals T minus mg. We know that ma, mass and acceleration, equals, because that's what that is, equals T minus mg. So times VR2 equals T minus mg. B equals square root of R times T minus mg over mass. So we know that B equals, because what was given was 60 centimeters, 90 grams, 2.2 newtons. So what we have to do is convert this into meters, and we'll get 0.6. We'll convert the grams into kilograms. It'll be 0.09. So now we take 0.6 times 2.2 newtons minus 0.9 newtons over 0.09 kilograms. And we will get 2.9439 meters per second square. Number 2, the second, we'll go y-axis and x-axis. So if y is y-o plus v-o t plus 1/2 acceleration times 2 squared, and x equals xo plus vox t, we will have y equaling 1.4 and x equaling 2.9439. So this would be plus t minus 10 t squared. We know W equals G, W equals 0.909 times 10, W equals 0.9 newtons. Alright, so the third step, we will take our y and do y equals 1.4 minus 5t squared. T equals square root of 1.4 over 5 if y is 0. Once we get that square root, we put it in our calculator, you should get 0.28. Whereas 4, we take our x-axis and we take this number here, put 2.943 times the square root of 0.28, and you should get meters. Now, what we do is convert this into centimeters, so 1.5578 m. To convert it into centimeters, you will bring the decimal over 2 times, so 155.78. And to match any other the answers, you'll see which closest to it, and the answer would be